my diamonds make it hurt.
Hello guys, here we are doing paper 2019 October-November. It's a winter paper and paper 3. So in this paper 3, we will do data analysis, that is spreadsheet. It's all about Excel. So here in task 1, it's all about the evidence document. As usual, we have to open this file and we have to enter all our details, and we have to save the evidence document using the name, and we have to follow it by the candidate number. Yes, an example is given here as well. Okay, and save it as a Word document. Okay, so now we'll concentrate on spreadsheets. That's from task 2. You're going to prepare an invoice using a spreadsheet for super disk sales. Super disk sales, we have to create an invoice for it. This company makes makes and sells storage devices. All prices are in euros, which must be displayed to 2 decimal places. Open and examine the files invoice.csv and ssd.csv in spreadsheet package. Okay, now let's go to the folder and open this invoice. Look at this here, invoice. Select, right click and open with Excel. And another one as well, right? So this also, select SSD, right click, open with Excel. 2. Yeah, here we have 2. This is, look at this. This is the invoice, and this is SSD something, right? SSD. Okay, here is the data. Now let's go to invoice. This is what we are going to work on. And here, using the file invoice.csv first, okay, merge cells A1 to G1. A1 to G1 we have to merge. Okay, here is the one, A1 to G1, and merge and center. Okay, next, merge cells A9 to G9 as well. In this only, A9 to G9 as well, we have to merge, home, margin, center. Format both merge cells to have white center aligned 36-point sans serif font on a black background, just like this. See, it's given over here. Super cells is really big. There's super something. Invoice is also, it's big, just but it's a little bit smaller than the super cells. Okay, and a black background, white foreground, center aligned, 36 sans serif. Okay, now let's do that. Let me select both of them because few features are there common, right? So let me take a black background and white foreground, right? 30, both of them 36. Okay, let it be. Okay, both of them 36. Okay, like this. They are already center aligned, and we have to use for both of them was that Microsoft sans serif. We have Microsoft sans serif. Okay, this is what. It's done. Everything is done. Now let's come back to the question. Format the top of the spreadsheet to look like this. Yeah, we did that. Okay, this whole thing is done. And this as well. Yeah, this scene. See here, it's a like a wrapped up. This also wrapping. Here also all wrapping. That all we have to see. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 and here wrapping is there. Now let's do that wrapping. Here, see, look at this, it's not wrapping, so let's select this and this. Okay, or just select a single cell and another cell, this all fine, this as well. So let's go home and wrap text. Fine, just if you reduce the width, automatically it is seen, wrapping is seen like this. And unit capacity as well, wrapping, unit capacity, number of items, unit capacity, this as well. And even we have to center them. I guess we have to center all of them, we have to center it. Okay, select, just hold down the control. Okay, hold down the control, this all, and just home, center. And even it seems there is a bold as well, right? Bold. Okay, let's go for bold. Yes. Okay, we'll save it later. We'll save it later. Okay, next. Okay, this is what done. Percentages as well, something is there. Percentage, is there any percentage? See here, there's no percentage. There is no percentage. Look at this, and to something percentages are being added over here. Look at this, discount rate in percentage. Okay, now let's add the percentage. Just select all those cells and go home and just see the symbol will come. Okay, now it's, sorry, later I'll save it. Okay, next. Fine. Now let's go to the next part of it. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, format only the cells which contain text to be bold and look like this. Oh, there is more text. Bold, and even we have to, what is that? Wrap them up. Okay, F, D, and A as well. Let's go down to 24. Oh, it's here. Okay, just select all this, select all this. Fine. Wrapping is done where home. Let's do first bold. Okay, bold, and wrap text as well. It should be in the center. Should be in the center. Fine. Here, just we can. How's it? Just have a look at that. 3. Okay, 3 are wrapped up. Here, all are wrapped up, and we have to center. Is it center? Yeah, it's like that, right? Hope now it's fine. Just have a look at this. Perfect. Done. Even this also, discount as well, right? Discount also. Okay, let's take discount as well. Hold down the control key, then you can select together and center, bold, and up. Take it up. You can see the center, all the way center. Okay, now this is done. What's more we have to do? This paper goes lengthy, I guess. Save this as a spreadsheet with a file name, invoice, and a score, followed by your center number, candidate number as well. So 2 details we have to add. Example is over here. Okay, so just let me highlight this as well. Almost we finished that part, so that, okay, now I have to go for saving. save as in the same folder. I have to save and invoice. Okay, after this we have to put underscore. We have to write our candidate number, underscore center number as well. Fine. And we have to save it as what? Spreadsheet, or sorry, Excel workbook. Okay, next now place the text invoice date followed by an automated date left aligned in the header. Left aligned in the header, invoice date. Okay, let's do that. Just view page layout, and we have to go to the left side of it. Invoice date. Okay, now automated date we have to show. Just click this header footer, then you find the current date. Okay, fine, it's done. Just click outside. See, now what's next? Place your name, center number, candidate number right aligned in the footer. Footer, and that to be right aligned. Go down. Here is the footer. So all our details over here. Fine. Center 1, 2, 3. Sorry. What is that dot? Delete, comma. What's that? Candidate number. Okay, save. Now let's move to the next. Here the question number 3. Place functions in cells C12 to F12 to look up the make, model, capacity and unit price of this item in C12. Okay, using the product code for the lookup value and the external file ssd.csv for the array. Okay, in C12 to F12, all the values we have to extract, make, model, capacity, like that, of one value, of one lookup value. Means that's, I guess it's a code, something like that. Okay, fine. And what else? Make sure that if no data is entered in the product code column, then nothing is displayed in each of these cells. Replicate. Okay, that's we'll say. Here, what is that? What is trying to say that here we're going to get make based on product code. Fine, and model, capacity, and all this. I think till F, unit price also. So if you see here, product code is nothing. They did not give anything in this product code. See, the column is empty. So if the value is empty, it should not display anything. If you enter something over here, it has to display something over here from the external file. Fine. So this is a condition. See here, this second paragraph is a condition. Second point is a condition. So for the condition, we will use if condition. If statement in Excel we use, and we'll go for the lookup over here. Fine. Now let's start. So we have another file as well. See this one. Code is here, but we don't have any code values in the column, right? So this we are going to extract, make. Fine. And model, capacity, unit price, all we're going to extract from this. But we don't have these. We don't have these in the other table, invoice table here. See. So if you don't have any value here, it should not display anything. If you have a value over here, it has to display something as per the tables and data. Okay, now let's start. So since it's a condition, we will use if condition. If, open bracket, this. If this is, no, we'll go for not equal to empty. Fine. So this is the condition. Means if this is equal to something, it will display something. That's what the inference over here. Fine. If this is not equal to nothing. That means if it is equal to something. Fine. So the further one, what we are writing is gonna be displayed. So the values, make values we will keep here in this lookup. Okay, and what is the lookup value over here? This, comma, and the table array will go to other table. Will go to other table. See, from here to till make a column you can pick. Till here 106. Okay, see, you can see over here in formula bar or there, then comma. What is the column index value? What is the number of the column over here? There are total 5 columns and make is the 4th column. Okay, I'll take 4th column, and for the exact match we can use 0 or false. Okay, close the bracket and another bracket. Fine, and the bracket of if. The last bracket is of if. Press enter. Here we are getting false. That means since there is no value, it's a false. So they told us not to display anything. See, it should be empty. Fine. If there is no data entered in the product code, the column then nothing is displayed. But we are getting over here false. Okay, we can just add a false part of it. Okay, see, A12 is not equal to nothing. That means A12 is equal to something. Fine. Then this is the condition. Else part, okay, will keep just empty like this. Just leave a pair of double quotes after we look up. Fine. See, we are now we are getting empty here instead of false. Now let me just enter a value here and let me check, are we having the right function. Okay, I will take SSD 9 Kingston. I have to get SSD 9. Okay, let me take SSD 9 SSD 9. See, Kingston is appearing. Okay, so our function is perfect. Now just I'll delete and keep. See, since there is no value in product code, nothing is being displayed over here. Now let's go for the second one. C12 to F12, right? Model will go for same, almost same. Just I'll copy this. Else we'll just only change the this part, right? What all we can change over here? Just copy and paste. Sorry. Just I'll remove this. Okay, I'll come over here. Again we'll start same. If open bracket, again A12 is not equal to empty, then we look up open bracket, and A12 is the code. Then we'll go to other table. Where is other table? Here. So I'll take all. I need model, so I have to select all the columns, and model is at where? The 5th column, 5, and I'll just take 0, close, comma, then empty, quotes, enter. So we got model over here. Same thing will go for capacity. See, capacity, where is capacity? Capacity is in the 3rd column, right? This is the 3rd column. So for that, what we can do, just copy this as it is. Okay, now paste it over here. And what we can change over here? We can change. I missed out something over here. I missed 5, I guess. right? This one now it's a 3. It should be 3. Okay, what is here? I missed out that one. Okay, just enter 5. Okay, capacity is done. And what else? Unit price. Then I'll take again the same formula, and now what is the number? Unit price is second one. Okay, now let's go for second one. Number 2, comma 2, comma. Okay, all done. Now, sorry. Now after this, replicate these functions from rows 13 to 23. Okay, let me just replicate all these fast. Where is that? Make, see there's a formula over here, and 23 till here. This also 23. This also 23. And this also 23. Okay. All we did, just I'll enter some value over here. Let me check whether our values are working perfectly. I'll enter which one? This one, SSD 21. Let me enter it. So I have to get all these values. Fine. See all these values. SSD 21, SSD 21, SSD 21. Yeah, perfect. Right? Okay, fine. Just I'll delete. Now we'll stop over here. The rest we'll do in the second part. Fine. Part 2 will continue with these questions. Thank you.